Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the Euro Yen, I definitely think this is the end of a wave 3, and if it is the end of a wave 3, then most likely we're in for a very overlapping corrective pattern, which I think is likely to bring it down someplace around the 150 area for a wave 4, then eventually probably back up for another attempt on the uptrend for a wave 5. But you have to keep in mind this is the monthly, and that probably is going to take at least 8 months to a year to play out. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still think this first move down is a wave A of wave 4, and I still don't even really think the wave A of 4 is over. I still think we have some more downside potential just to complete this wave A. So going down to the daily time frame, on the daily time frame, we definitely have 1, 2, 3 waves up and a pulse down. Hopefully, this is the end of a correction, because if it is the end of a correction, then now we're probably likely to make another push down. I still, like I've been saying last week, think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're likely in a wave 5 of most likely a wave A of wave 4. So keeping all that information in mind because that's extremely important. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. Now I do have my Fibonacci retracement out here because if it does make a fib bounce, if it does start to make very engulfing moves to the upside, then maybe you should think about going long again. But I think there's a good chance that the correction is over, and if the correction really is over, then it should now continue to make lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, which is great news for trend traders because at the end of these pullbacks is where I will be looking to go short on shorter time frames for the continuation of the downtrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I would be looking at all moves to the upside as nothing more as a possible correction to the downtrend. I'm looking for 1, 2, 3 waves up and pulse it down to go short. So if I see one wave up, wave A, corrective down, wave B, another wave up to a Fibonacci retracement level, wave C. Then I see a nice big engulfing move to the downside with a breaker structure. That's exactly the pattern that I would be patiently waiting for to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. I think we are likely in a wave 5 of wave A on like the 4 hour daily time frame, and until proven otherwise, I definitely am only looking for shorts, and I'm only looking to go short on these shorter time frames at the end of 3 wave pullbacks, Fibonacci bounces, and golfing moves to the downside. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.